Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the AOVO K1 Bluetooth speaker. This portable speaker recently caught my attention, and I was eager to test it for you. Inside, you'll find the speaker itself, a USB-C charging cable, 2 microphones, and a user manual. The AOVO K1 is a compact and lightweight speaker with a retro look. It is available in 2 colors, black or white. The design is simple and sleek, featuring a grille and a control panel. The AOVO K1 is equipped with dual 10-watt full-range speakers with omnidirectional sound. The K1 has several interesting features, including Bluetooth Jerry version 5.2 for a stable and long-range connection up to 10 meters. It also allows you to charge your smartphone with wireless charging. You can also make calls, insert a TF card, a USB drive, check the temperature, use the alarm, or listen to the radio. The battery capacity is 3,600 mAh. Double the fun of singing karaoke with the AOVO K1 speaker, which allows you to connect 2 microphones simultaneously for unforgettable evenings. In conclusion, the AOVO K1 is an excellent Bluetooth speaker for the price. It offers a retro design, good sound quality, and several interesting features. If you are looking for an affordable portable speaker, the AOVO K1 is a great option. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my upcoming videos.